Hello, let me demonstrate to you how to install Python. Now you're going to be using Python as the programming language, but on top of Python you're going to be using something called PyScripter as the editor to allow you to write your Python programs. This is going to be done on a Windows machine. There are versions for Apples or Macs, but you'll have to dig for them. In this video, I'll show you how to install it on a Windows machine. Now, in order to do this, you will need to download a folder from Canvas called Using Python. It will be a zip folder. You want to open it up and place the folder Using Python on your desktop. Once you put that folder on your desktop, open it up, you will see four things in there. One is the actual Python version that we will be using, 3.6.5, and the other is the environment we'll be using Python in, and that's PyScripter 3.4.1. There are other versions of Python and PyScripter available. We will support these versions. You can simply just download it from Canvas and you don't have to go looking for a newer version. Not sure if we can support that. So in order to do this, the first thing you must do is install Python. Once Python is installed, PyScripter will then be installed, and PyScripter will find Python and integrate the two. So let's first install Python. So in this case, we simply want to double click on the web installer. We will choose Install Now. I choose Add Python 3.6 to Path. I think that might be critical, so let's do that. Okay, setup was successful. Python has now been installed. I'm going to close this box, and now I'm going to install the PyScripter. So again, I'll just double click on it and start the process. So I'll continually click Next. I'm going to create a desktop shortcut and a quick launch shortcut, and then install. And it has completed. So I'll click Finish and launch it. You are ensured that this installed correctly if you see down in this window Python 3.6.5 is in use. If you don't see it in this window, then something did not go correctly. Come and see me to figure out what's going on. So what you have here is the window where you'll be writing your programming code. You have a bunch of tool buttons up here that you'll be able to use during the class. I'll explain them in more detail. And you have the ability to add and open and create new Python programs. All of this will be explained in another video. That is the installation process. Once you have installed it, you're sure that it's running correctly, you can then close it up. And now somewhere, either in your quick launch or on your toolbar, you'll have PyScripter there. To launch whenever you want to write programs. If you want to, you can temporarily for the semester just right click on it and pin it to your taskbar, and then it will be on your taskbar whenever you want to open it up. So that's the installation of Python and PythonScripter, the program that we'll use to actually create and run Python programs.